Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. And today I want to talk with you about something that I think is very important to our customers, differentiation. What I mean by that are the things that make Kitchen and Bath Crate different than the other contractors out there. You see, a lot of other contractors, they talk about their core values, and it's the typical cliches like integrity and accountability and craftsmanship and those types of things. And while those are important, right, we have our own core values, I think what you as a customer care about are the things that make us different. So today I want to talk about the 4 things that make Kitchen and Bath Crate different than the other contractors out there. A key thing that makes Kitchen and Bath Crate different is our on-time, every-time guarantee. What we mean by that is for any day we're late on the project, we credit the customer $250 per day. This is unheard of in our industry, but it's really important to us because we feel like our customers deserve punctuality and they deserve to have their project given back to them on the exact day that we promise or even a few days before. Another thing that makes Kitchen and Bath Crate different is our process. All we do are kitchens and bathrooms, and to date we've completed over 1,100 of them following the same process each and every time. We walk customers through the estimate, through the design, permitting, construction, closeout, warranty, the same way every time. I think customers really appreciate that specialization, knowing that the exact right people are working on their project at every given moment. Yet another thing that makes Kitchen and Bath Crate different is that we take remarkable responsibility. You're hiring us for a reason. You're wanting this project to be passed from your shoulders to ours. And so that means all along the way, there's no excuses, there's no smoke and mirrors, there's nothing that would cause a customer to wonder who exactly is in charge of the project. Another thing we do is we treat your home as if it were our home. And that's things like dust control and floor protection and even how we treat your pets for the duration of the project. At the end of the day, you want someone to take full responsibility for your project, and that's exactly what we do. A key thing that makes Kitchen and Bath Crate different is our 1% better mantra. Every day, everything we do, we attempt to get 1% better. Every issue we encounter, every customer we deal with, every employee we interact with, we're always trying to improve those relationships, improve the processes, and make the entire system better for the next person. And that is a mindset that we've lived by from the day we started this back in 2010. So if you'd like to learn more about Kitchen and Bath Crate and how we can make a difference on your project, give us a call at 888-995-7996 or log on to kbCRATE.com to learn more.